national ones are not the local.
So now, what are you going to do? Get out of here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I never have. I've been here for 5 years. I kind of got it set up when I moved here. You're right, I don't have time. Between working in this group, I don't have time for anything on the railroad.
Well, I go to PQS, the TCA, and also the one down in Willamette Valley.
I was noticing you have your own reporting marks there.
Oh, you noticed that where it says PNWC 600?
Yeah.
You're probably the only one to notice that.
Well, I mean, I knew it would be Pacific Northwest.
Yeah. It was. No.
I know
don't even know if that's right.
I don't know. I just know it said PNWC, and I assumed it was you. You know.
On that. I don't even know if the 600 right. I wrote the brochure.
I don't know. I just realized that it had.
Yep. Yeah, we got that in about 1972 from Burlington Northern, and done some restoration on it. And it's pretty much original. Yeah, right, except for that reporting mark.
Well, I mean, you gotta have. I mean, you don't want to have a freight train get it and not know what they'll have to do with it. You know.
Yeah. Because even later on, the Spokane, Portland, and Seattle Railroad put their name on the cars, even though it was a Great Northern Empire building. Yeah. Because it only ran from Spokane down to Portland.
It's a good car if it came here, you know, and. It's a good thing to have. You know, it's in its historical home.
Our chapter owns other cars, but that's the favorite one.
Yeah.
We own a locomotive that doesn't run. That's down in Antique Powerland.
Yeah.
So we have what? 2 snowplows down there, and the diesel. That's are just there. What do you call that? I lost the word. Just stored on the outside.
Yeah.
Static display.
Yeah.
That was what I was doing.
Well, you already plow. Well, you don't get that much snow to plow.
No, but these were from the Boston, Southern Pacific, and then the Portland and Western inherited them.
Well, yeah. I mean, in some places they really do like cascades.
There's a strange plow. One, of course, has the plow in the front. The other one has the plow in the middle, which is so strange. And what it did, it would plow between the rails. Of course, when you came to a switch, you had to bring it up.
Yeah.
So they had to really pay attention to.
Yeah.
But in those long stretches, the plow was in the middle. I always thought that was very strange.
No, I've seen some good videos online about them trying to plow the rails and get this huge, like 8-10 foot drifts. And
of course, the ones in Alaska are really cool because they have that big rotary thing. And fly out.
Yeah, I've seen that. They can really move some snow there.
Interested in joining our chapter or more information about the...
I'll think about it.
I say there's some brochure. There's a brochure about the passenger car. The one about the chapter and the membership application.
Yeah. I like how you have all the magazines here, though.
Yeah, our free magazines to give away. That top brochure, Pacific Northwest chapter there.
Yeah, I'll get that.
That one has a list of all the local railroad attractions.
But see, I actually have the trains when they had the Portland Light Rail at night. I don't know if you've heard about that. But I don't. Wow, mega.
What do you want? Which one? Oh, they have a clone in our one. Dude, what are your service? Think about it. Oh, you put them on
Yeah, you can do all these other things. But
hey, how are you?
What do we have?
Give me everybody's cookie.
They got a lot of action.
Yeah.
Anna, go on there. I'm going upstairs.
You know what they should do is a book about every trip or every time it went out, you know.
Well, they're going to have to do that because I can't remember.
I can't remember. Thought about it.
I don't want to go
Where? I see somebody with a...
Hey, lady. First, come back up to get onto that.
Absolutely. But it's just so much that, you know, it's so mind-boggling that you can't agree on it.
Glad to see you go on trains.
Yeah.
I have now put together 10 complete years of Trains magazines.
Wow.
Most of them from the 50s.
Wow. They're giving them out there at the the Portland along the booth out there.
Yeah. Well, the Trains magazine